close erupt.
Found you! You broke off your mount. I think I'm done for the day, but accomplished complete. Just trying to bounce the quad around. Alright, done with that fight. Power loop to complete. I tried to get my second one in. I did it. It didn't go all the way through back through again, but tough lipo, but that's as usual. I need new props anyway, so that's okay with me. The lenses need cleaned. So pretty much I'm good. I lost a screw, so I need a screw, new props, and possibly a battery. I have an extra mount, so I'm good on mounts.
Cause even kings gotta eat, even kings gotta dream. Gotta tap these waters before we head downstream. The block is there.